Okay, the second way to ask direction is that the word that we can use is how can I find dash, okay? How can I find is the other way to ask direction. How can I find dash, the place you want to ask, you'll add here, okay? How can I find? So the equivalent term in Amharic language is that እንዴት ነው ማገኘው? Here as I said you in Amharic when we write the term or when we say the term you name the place first, then you'll add the word, okay? Dash, you add the place you want to ask. If it is bank, if it is hotel. Dash, እንዴት ማግኘት እችላለሁ? It means how can I find? So this one is subgroup of alphabet A, U, E, A, E. This one is E. This one is subgroup of alphabet N, 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 okay? This one is subgroup of alphabet D. D, 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 okay? D. And this one is subgroup of alphabet T, 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 okay? Whereas this one is subgroup of alphabet M, 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 okay? This one is subgroup of alphabet G, 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 G. And this one is basic alphabet Ñ. And whereas this one is subgroup of alphabet T, 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 okay? T. And this one is subgroup of alphabet A, U, E, A, E, E. And this one is subgroup of alphabet Ch, Ch, Chu, Chi, Cha, Chi, Ch, okay? Ch. And whereas this one is subgroup of alphabet L, L, Lu, Li, La, Le, La, okay? La. This one is La. And this one is basic alphabet L. And this one is subgroup of alphabet Ha, Ha, Hu, Hi, Ha, Hu. This one is Ha, Hu, okay? Hu. This one is Hu. So when we read it, date, which means date, ማግኘት እችላለሁ. So when we read it together, እንዴት ማግኘት እችላለሁ. It means how can I find, okay? So how can I find dash, name of the place. So similarly dash, name of the place, እንዴት ማግኘት እችላለሁ. So let us make one example. Always, as I have said you before, you need to polite when you are asking for a place or for something. So you add always sir or excuse me, okay? Sir, how can I find a hotel? Or excuse me, how can I find a bank? Okay? You'll ask direction like this. So similarly in Amharic, you're gonna say ወንድሜ. We use the word ወንድሜ when the person we are asking is male person only. So since ወንድሜ means my brother, ወንድሜ, okay? It means my brother. So when you are asking male person only, you use what? ወንድሜ. But if the person you are asking is a female person, you will say እህቴ. It means my sister. But for both male and female, you can use what? ይቅርታ. It means excuse me. This one is subgroup of alphabet የ, ዩ, ይ, ያ, የ, okay? Whereas this one is subgroup of alphabet ቀ, ቁ, ቂ, ቃ, ቄ, ቅ, okay? This one is subgroup of alphabet ረ, ሩ, ሪ, ራ, ሬ, ር, okay? ር. Whereas this one is subgroup of alphabet ተ, ቱ, ቲ, ታ. When we read it, ይቅርታ, it means excuse me. So ይቅርታ. Hotel, okay? Hotel in English is also hotel in Amharic, similar. Bank in English is also bank in Amharic. So ይቅርታ hotel, እንዴት ማግኘት እችላለሁ means how can I find, okay? So ይቅርታ hotel እንዴት ማግኘት እችላለሁ. If you ask like this, the person you are asking will tell you where you can find a hotel. ይቅርታ ባንክ እንዴት ማግኘት እችላለሁ. ወይንም ደግሞ or if the person you are asking is male, ወንድሜ ባንክ እንዴት ማግኘት እችላለሁ. Or if the person you are asking is female, እህቴ ሆቴል እንዴት ማግኘት እችላለሁ. So you are here, you are polite and you are asking for a place, so you will gonna get the answer smoothly, okay? Or you can find the place you are looking for. So the second way to ask direction is that how can I find dash or dash እንዴት ማግኘት እችላለሁ. Okay? We'll see the other way to find direction, okay?